This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pineapple salad. First, gather cooked chicken, fresh pineapple, crunchy celery, red onion, and cilantro. Prepare a dressing by whisking plain yogurt, lime juice, honey, salt, and pepper until smooth. Toss the chicken and pineapple with the dressing and chill briefly to meld flavors. Adjust seasoning to taste and serve over mixed greens, in a sandwich, or with tortilla wraps for easy meals. Gather simple, common ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth. Use cooked chicken breast or rotisserie chicken, fresh pineapple, celery, red onion, cilantro, and plain yogurt for the dressing. Add lime juice and honey for a bright, balanced flavor and season with salt and pepper. You can also add toasted nuts for crunch or a pinch of chili flakes for heat, depending on your taste. Begin by dicing your chicken and pineapple uniformly so each bite is balanced. In a bowl, whisk plain yogurt, lime juice, honey, salt, and pepper until smooth and slightly thickened. Fold the chicken, pineapple, and vegetables into the dressing, gently to coat without mashing. Cover and refrigerate for at least 15 minutes to let flavors meld, then taste and tweak acidity or sweetness before serving on green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.